Okay, I'm just gonna show you the code that I wrote. We are making the request and receiving the data, but I also made a select that I actually copied from the documentation. What I just did was taking the documentation code here, for example this one, and I copy it here from since here to there, okay? And after that I just added as well the update, which is this one that is here. Sorry that I'm taking too much, that I feel kind of low when I'm talking. I have recorded this video like 5 times by the moment, but it is because I am without microphone. But I hope that you have learned, and sadly the data is still not updating because we have to be more precise on the where clause here. I have to put on here, we can make, for example, an echo here of this. Let me see. Just like this. And we can check it. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's put test, and now we hit on here, and you will see that in the network side, see question read, I think, no, it is called index. Okay, let's hit again and go to the network response. No, we don't get it here. Why? No idea. Well, we can just erase the exit here. Try again. And as you can see now, it shows a response here, and it says that, this is the query, okay? So this is being sent. This is in the backend. We are working all right. That was everything. In the next video, we're gonna make it more precise for it to update actually the data, okay? Because I was doing this just for you to make it, how can I say it, more digestible, because I don't like to teach web development in a too abstract way, because for me web development is not to be abstract. As more detached you are to paradigm, you know what is a paradigm? Well, the thing is that there are certain paradigms in life that sometimes you attach to certain things, and when you attach your life to those things and the paradigms of it, it doesn't allow you to open your mind in a huger way sometimes when it's needed. And that's just an advice. Remember that Jesus Christ loves us much more than a microphone. Bye bye.